Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the Lovable watermark from your website step by step. If you've created a website using Lovable and noticed their branding at the bottom of your pages, don't worry. This is common on free plans, and there is an official way to remove it. I'll explain everything in a simple way, so even if you have zero technical knowledge, you'll be able to follow along. When you build a site on Lovable's free plan, the platform automatically adds a small label such as Built with Lovable or a Lovable logo in the footer. This is how many website builders promote their service. The watermark does not harm your site, but if you want a more professional look or you're using the site for business, you may prefer to remove that branding. First, open your browser and go to the Lovable website. Click on Login and enter your account details. After signing in, you'll see your dashboard. From there, open the website project where you want the watermark removed. Once your site editor or dashboard opens, look for the Settings option. This may appear in the top menu, side panel, or under a project menu, depending on the layout. Click on Settings to access your website configuration. Inside Settings, find a section called Billing, Subscription, or Plan Details. This area shows whether you are on the free plan or a paid plan. If you are using the free version, the watermark cannot be removed yet because that feature is limited to premium users. Click on Upgrade Plan or View Plans. You'll see different pricing options. Choose a plan that mentions removal of platform branding, custom domain support, and advanced features. Follow the payment process and confirm your subscription. After upgrading, your account will unlock additional controls. Now return to your website settings. Look for options like Branding, Footer Settings, or Show Lovable Logo. You should now see a toggle or checkbox to turn off Lovable branding. Disable that option and save your changes. Finally, click Publish, Update, or Save and Publish so the changes go live. Open your website in a new tab and refresh the page. The Lovable watermark should now be removed. That's it. This is the official method to remove the Lovable watermark from your website. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more simple website guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.